Hello YouTube, been Bunnings and bought some locks, some more. This one's Ikonic Deadbolt, made in China. 3x C4 keys included. Not sure what C4 is, I'm guessing it's the profile. But I've got two of these to play with, so I can pull it apart. The keyway is pretty open, easy to get into. It's got this little metal tab on top, which make it easy to pull apart and use the spare parts for other things, or muck around with different types of keys and pins and that sort of thing. Absolute piece of junk. I've opened it using different methods that I've seen on YouTube, which I think are pretty cool. Alright, I haven't seen this one before, but this is upside down. That's the first one. Don't know what to call that one yet. Just crap, I guess. Next one, zip. It's zipped. I'll try and rake it. Probably doesn't even need to be raked. We'll just open if the rake goes in there. Yeah, it's raked. I've been getting used to using some of the little attachments on the little jackknife. I think it's pretty cool. I really like it. Need to make some more tension bars. Find one will suit one lock and not the next one. Bit nerve-wracking doing this on camera. There we go. Unlocked. Not much else more I can say about this, except if you see this brand name, you see Deadbolt, ignore that. Ignore this. Ignore all this. Pay attention to this and ignore it as well, I guess. If you can see this too clearly. Romac hardware distributors. I think they need a good smack on the head. Alright, that's all for now. Bye.